Hello and welcome to today's class. In the previous session, we studied how to find the largest and smallest number, part of the comparing numbers. In that, we understood place values. We also studied on a different methodology to find the largest and the smallest, and couple of examples and exercises. So today's class, this is the today's class we are going to study now. We have a set of 4-digit number, and from that number and how many numbers can we make it. Okay, that one we are going to study. From once we generate those numbers, how to identify the largest and the smallest out of that. And also we have another exercise here. We have a 3-digit number and we have to make a 4-digit number by repeating any one number in that. Let us learn all these things in this today's class, okay, without much delay. Welcome to my channel Educate to Grow. All my sessions are divided to subsection topic. You can jump directly to specific content whichever you want during the session. Now under the comparing numbers, we are going to study how many numbers we can make from the given set of numbers. So that is the task now. So right now we have a 7, 8, 3, 5. These are the different numbers. Okay, we should not repeat those things and we have to create numbers as much as possible. So total how many numbers we can create from here. So that is a bit higher studies, like in the higher studies we have a probability chapter, okay, where we will calculate like this. Totally 4 digits are there, okay, and then we need to decrement by into decrement 2 and decrement. So totally 24 numbers we can make it out. Let's check how 24s can be done. Let us put now total 6 numbers one group and into 4 to 24 numbers. To start with, we will study with 7, 8, 3, 5. Okay, this is the number we have given. Let's keep it. So in the second set 7, 8. Let's keep it same thing. We will shuffle 5 here and 3 here. 5 here, 3 here. Okay, these are the now 2 numbers. Let's keep it 7 like that. Keep it 8. Just replace the 8 by 5 for us. This is the base. So let's 5 and move the 8 in the place of 5. So 8. Let it be 3 like that only. So now 7, 5. Now shuffle here 8, 3. Keep the 7 thing once again. Now 8 is done. 8, 2 are done. 5, 2 are done. Possibilities. Now 3. So bring 3 here, 3 here, 8 move to here. So 3 will be replaced by 8. So 8 will be replaced by, then keep the 5 number same. 7, 3, 5, 8. This is a 6 numbers digit. Now let's go with the 8. We will start with the 8. This number 8 will replace by 7. 7 will replace by 8. So 8 is going to replace 7. 7 will come here. 3, 5 remains same. Now let's start. 8 common, 8 common. Okay. Here 7 common. Now 5 move to this one. 3 move to here. Now these two are done. So now let's 5 bring to 7 position. 5 bring to 7 position. 7 goes to 5 position. Let 3 become same. So 5 once again. Move 7 here and move 3 here. Now 7 is done, 5 is done, so 3 is remaining. So bring the 3 in the 7th position. In the 7th position 3 and 7 goes to 3, 5, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now 7 is done, 8 is done. 8 is replaced done. Now 3 will move to 1000 position and 8 remains same. 7 goes to here and 5 here. So let's continue. Let's 3 constant, 8, 5, 7 internal replacement 2 digit. Now 5 will be replaced by 8, 5. Let it be 7 same. This 7 remains same. 8 will goes to here. Now 5, 8, 7. Now 7 goes to here. 8 will be here. 5 will be here. 7, 5, 8. Now 7 is done. 8 is done. 3 is done. Now let's make it 5. So 8, 3. This 8, 3, let it be same. So move 7 here. So 5 constant, 8, 7 here and 3 here. Okay, and 7 move to 8th position, 7, and 8 will go to 8th position. So 3 remains same and the same location. Like this, 7 and move 8 here, 3 move to that location. Coming to the 3 position, 3 replace to 8, 8 will come here, 7 will remain same, 3 and 7, 8. So 5 is moved and everything is done. So these are the 24 numbers. Okay, we need to find which is the largest number and smallest number. Okay, largest number, see the 1000, which is the highest. In this 1000, 7 is highest, 7 number is highest. In this 1000, 8 is the highest. Here is the 3's, here is 5. So 3, 5, 8, 7, which is highest? This is highest. So come to this table now. In this table, let's go to the second 100 section. In the 100 section, which is highest number? Only these two. Okay, to highest number 2. Let's go to the 10th position. Out of these 3 and 5, which is highest? This one. So automatically this is largest. Find the least number. In the 1000 section, which is the least number? 3. Okay, here 5 is there, here 8 is there, here 7 is there. So 3 is the minimum number, 3. Then now next 100, coming to the 100, which is the least number? 5. So how many are there? 2 are there. And next goes to 10th location. In the 10th, these two, 7 or 8, which is the least? This one. So this is the least number, smallest. So biggest number is 8, 7, 5, 3, and 3, 5, 7 is this is biggest, this is smallest number. So this is how we need to generate a numbers, and we have to find the largest number and the smallest number. Let's go to next exercise. Now let us check. This is a digit and we don't want to find any much more numbers. We have to identify the largest and the smallest number in this. The rule which I told in the beginning, to make largest number, this is the left position and this is the right position. Okay, left position always should be higher number, right position always will be smallest number. That is the condition. Which is the least number in this? 1. So put 1 here. Okay, next immediately small number, immediately little bit higher number. What is the next higher number? 4. Okay, what is the next higher number? 7. Next higher number is 9. So this is right now, it is already given, so it is easy to understand. This is the largest number, and now let's go with the smallest number. Now what is the condition for the smallest number? In the left location here and right location of the numbering digit. So left always should be smallest and goes to increase and highest number. Okay, so out of this, smallest number what? 1. Immediately next higher number 4. Immediately next 7. Immediately next 9. So this is the smallest number. Okay, need not to generate numbers like previous. Okay, like here I just told you the methodology, how many numbers can you make. Okay, then you have to find this process. Then the simplest way to find the biggest and smallest number from the given set of digit number, we can go with like this. Let's take another example. For example, let's take 2, 8, 7, 4. Okay, now let's find the largest number. What is the rule? Largest number, this is the largest number rule. Right side smallest. What is the smallest? 2. Put 2 here. Next higher number 4. Next higher number 7. Next number is 8. This is the largest. Then immediately next come to the least number. What is highest number? 8. Immediately next 7. Next 4. Next 2. So this is the smallest number. Okay, so this is how we need to make numbers and find the largest and the smallest. Let's go to the next section. Now we have another exercise here. We need to make a 4-digit number from 3 digits. We want to make a 4-digit number by repeating any one number. We have only 3 digits. So let's start now. We need to make first largest number. Okay, see the largest number, I told in the beginning that this is the condition. Higher it should be always at the left side. Highest number is 8, and I will repeat the same number 8, then 7, then 3. So this is the largest number. Smallest number 3, 7, 8, 8. Okay, this is the smallest number. Let's go with this number. Highest number 9. Let it be 9, and next smaller number is 4, then 0. Okay, and we should not use 0, that is the condition. Also in the beginnings leftmost side we should not use the 0, that is the condition. In that case, how we can make it out? There is a two possibilities. If you ask a question that don't use 0 as a leftmost position, in that case what will be the smallest number? The smallest number will be immediately next smallest is 4, then 0. Okay, 9, 9. If 0 can be used, then least number is 0, then 4, 9, 9. This is the least number. Okay, now let's go to this one. Highest number is 9, 9, 0, sorry, 5, 0. This is the highest number. Smallest number, once again 2. If you want to use 0 first, 0, 5, 9. If you don't want to use 0 first, then immediately next higher is 5, then 0, 9, 9. So this is the two possibilities. First is without condition, second one is with condition. Okay, let us summarize what we studied at this moment. The summary is, first we studied about how to make a possible numbers from the given set of digits. In this session we 4-digit number and how many possible type of numbers we can generate from that we understood. Then also we understood how to find the largest and the smallest in that. Okay, the second point which we learned is we have a 4-digit number, and without generating all the possible numbers, without doing that, how to find the largest and the smallest using the rules which we studied in the previous session as well as in this session. So this is what we learned. Third point, we took a 3-digit number. The question is to make a 4-digit largest and the smallest, so by repeating any one number out of 3 digits. So that is also we learned, and this is all about the summary in this session. Now let us go to the next chapter where we will try to understand how to arrange the numbers in ascending and the descending order with a few examples. Okay, so I request you to share the content to your friends and students, and do subscribe, like and comment. If you have any clarification information you need and which you like to know, just put it in the comment so that I will bring it on the next session. Okay, thank you.